Yeah, it is. Let me go hold the other end.
This is the potato gun. A little rocky.
Alright.
Alright, let's pick it up.
I need that cap.
Me too.
Don't want to get sunscreen on my camera, so I'll stay back here.
Alright, ready?
Try to get his point of view. It's around my wrist, so if I drop it, it should be fine.
Tell me when you're ready.
Perfect.
You
Where's
ready?
Dan? Yeah.
Try to get this switch right. Alright, I think we got it. Down the back.
Did you hear that? Oh, is that the bat?
Yeah, that's the back.
What?
You ready?
Yeah. It's a bad switch.
I think it might go.
I shook it. I need a tripod or something. That was that one went far.
Where's the bag go?
I don't know. Hit my jaw when I was holding my ear.